barbecue.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Newbie Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your hostess with the mostest, Jazz, and today I have something for you. I have the new way I'm going to light my charcoal. Now, I don't know. I'm pretty sure I said it in the past. I was going to get rid of my big Oklahoma Joe 2-in-1, 3-in-1, 4-in-1, whatever grill. It was like an offset smoker, charcoal grill, propane grill, had a side burner. Now, the reason I got rid of it was because I wasn't really using it a whole lot. I love my offset. I have a love-hate relationship with my offset. It was just the cooking area was too small. I really wanted a bigger one, but then I decided I wanted to go ahead and get a drum instead, and I have the pellet grill, so I just wasn't using it a whole lot. But the one thing I did use on it a lot was my side burner, and I used it to light my charcoal chimney. Now, here's the thing. I sold it. And I know there's tons of ways to light the charcoal chimney. You get the little starters, and you do this, that, or whatever. So, I just figured, you know what? I'm going to be buying those things all the time. Nothing wrong with it. Don't get me wrong. There's nothing wrong with that. However, I wanted a way to light my charcoal that was just super easy, super fast. So I didn't have a side burner. I looked at different kinds of side burners that were just like the ones you stick the pots on, you know, like the big boiler pots or whatever. You know, forgive me, my mind's not working on the word that I'm looking for. But anyway, I looked at those. I looked at the little bitty torches that go on the propane cans. Those things that you can, you know, use to light your charcoal. I looked at the electric things, all that. Just, I feel like a lot of those things weren't what I was looking for. Until I found something else. And I think you're going to like my new toy. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the Flame King. The Flame King. Check this thing out. It's pretty big. I mean, it's a couple feet long, 3 feet long, something like that. And it is technically a weed torch. But, hear me out. I have to be able to get down and light my charcoal down in there, down in my drum. So I thought I could use those little torches and stuff and light it, whatever, put it down in there. I can light my charcoal chimney, but then I have to dump it in the pan, or I have to do it out here and then put the pan in and try not to burn my hand. Or I could use this. I can use this, and I could just stick this sucker down in my drum, and then I can light the charcoal. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to go ahead and light the charcoal. Now, I don't know if this is going to work the greatest on lighting like a Weber grill. I'm going to try it one of these days to see how it goes. But for right now, we're just going to go ahead and light our drum and see what happens. I'm getting ready to make another video, which you'll see probably first. But I'm going to go ahead and get this sucker started so we can get to cooking. Alright, give her a light. Woo! Oh, let's put it out. Well, there you have it, folks. Charcoal is lit. Only took about 30 seconds. And we are ready to roll. Alright, folks, there you have it. The Flame King. See if it's right. Is it right? It's not right side for you. The Flame King is good. The flame is good. It'll, all in all, you know, I may have a minute 30 in it. You know, it took about 30 seconds to actually light it, but by the time I, you know, turn the gas on and get it in there and hold my hand just right on the button, Took about 30 seconds and that sucker was lit. So as you can tell, it's rolling now. So anyway, that is the Flame King. I bought this off of Amazon. You can find this on Amazon. I think it's worth it. It was worth the money. We'll just have to see how, time will tell if I really, really like it or not. But right now, gotta tell you, the Flame King is king, man. Let me tell you. This thing's pretty cool. So I don't know if I said it, but the Flame King weed torch, or as I like to call it, my new charcoal starter. That thing attaches to like a 20-pound tank, like a regular 20-pound propane tank that you use for your gas grill. All in all, I think it was about 40 bucks, I think. It depends on which one you buy. This one seemed like the best deal. Didn't seem like it had any plastic or chintzy products on it. But it works. It works great. I do like it. So anyway, that's the only thing I had for today, really, was that. I just wanted to show off my new way of lighting my charcoal. Thought it was pretty cool. I'm getting ready to cook now. I gotta get something put on the smoker now that I have it lit. So I'm gonna go do that. Follow me on my social media. Sorry for the short video, but follow me on my social medias. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. I don't post a lot to Twitter, I do apologize. But Twitter, Facebook, Instagram at NewBQ2020. TikTok, NewBQ Backyard Barbecue. Make sure to follow me on TikTok. I do post on there. I try to post quite frequently. I haven't done a whole lot here lately, but I do try to post on there quite frequently. Other than that, guys, we'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit that like button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know. I want to know what you guys use to light your charcoal, and what type of charcoal do you use. I like to use the Royal Oak or B&B, something that's that the lump charcoal, not really the briquettes. I like the lump better. But what do you guys do? How do you guys light your grills? How do you guys light your smokers? And what kind of charcoal you guys use? And anyway, leave that down in the comment section. Like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you get all the notifications. Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs down works too, but thumbs up's better. And we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace.